Hello and welcome to an installment of Drinking Water Week presented by AE2S. My name is Adam Zock. I'm a consultant here for Advanced Engineering. This is my associate Matt Erickson, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the water cycle and how the drinking water plant can help produce water for a community. When most people think of a city, they think of roads and buildings. Today we'll show you a little bit about where you can get your water from and how it gets to your home. So Matt, do you want to show us how the water would get from our source to our drinking water tap at home?
To begin the water cycle, we'll simulate rain. And as it rains onto the infrastructure of the roads, it runs off into the storm drain, and through underground piping and underground infrastructure, it actually runs through the storm drain system into the river. Rainwater that falls into city buildings or into developed areas typically runs off into a constructed wetland or a stormwater pond that you'll see around town, which would store the water for a certain period of time and make sure that runoff doesn't hit the river too quick and cause potential flooding. Once the water's in the river or a groundwater well, water utilities typically transfer water then to their water treatment plants. The first basin represents the pretreatment basin, typically where solids will settle out with the addition of chemical coagulants. The second basin is the softening basin, followed by a restabilization basin, and the third here with a filtration basin. Following filtration, the clean water is then disinfected and sent to the water tower for water storage.
From the water tower, that's usually the first thing that the public sees as their public water supply. And the reason they're so tall is so that they can provide pressure out in the distribution system so that the water will flow down by gravity to all the homes or to the buildings. So what we have shown here is some water that would be in a typical water tower, and if they want the water to then go to all the homes or to the buildings, they would either open up a valve or turn on a pump, and all of the water then would come out, restabilize into the distribution system, pressurize it, and all of the water then travels to your different homes, to your different buildings for consumption by the public.
To learn more about the drinking water process, please check out our other videos.